All right, so special thanks to this company for sending us their animated Santa Claus. It is almost Christmas time. It does require 3 AA batteries that are sold separately, so keep that in mind. Additional features: sound sensor, talking story, indoor use only, mouth, eyes, and head move, plays "'Twas the Night Before Christmas." Storytelling Santa Claus, that's what the sticker says. And same info there. So nothing on the bottom, nothing on the top. Let's open it up. All right. Oh yeah, it's all together. Wow, that's literally it for the box. That's your storytelling Santa. The feet are kind of just flimsy because he's made to sit like this. So that's what he looks like though. A Christmas storybook. Got a press here button. And somewhere in here is where we'll... There they are. So yeah, I won't do anything right now. So we'll get some AA batteries in here, set this on the shelf, and show you exactly what it looks like. Alrighty, so here it is set up. We got our 3 AA batteries in it. Press the button, my queen.
'Twas the night before Christmas, when all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care, in hopes that St. Nicholas would soon be there. The children were nestled all snug in their beds, while visions of sugar plums danced in their heads. And Mama in her kerchief and I in my cap had just settled down for a long winter's nap. When out on the lawn there arose such a clatter, I sprang from my bed to see just what was the matter. Away through the window I flew like a flash, tore open the shutters and threw up the sash. The moon on the breast of the new fallen snow gave the luster of midday to objects below, when what to my wondering eye should appear but a miniature sleigh and 8 tiny reindeer. With a little old driver, so lively and quick, I knew in a moment it must be Saint Nick. More rapid than eagles, his coursers they came, and he whistled and shouted and called them by name. Now Dasher, Dancer, now Prancer and Vixen, on Comet, on Cupid, on Donner and Blitzen. To the top of the porch, to the top of the wall, now dash away, dash away all. As dry leaves that before the wild hurricane fly, when they meet with an obstacle, mount to the sky. So up to the housetop the coursers they flew, with the sleigh full of toys, and St. Nicholas too. And then in a twinkling, I heard on the roof the prancing and pawing of each little hoof. As I drew in my head and was turning around, down the chimney St. Nicholas came with a bound. He was dressed in all fur from his head to his foot, and his clothes were all tarnished with ashes and soot. A bundle of toys he had flung on his back, and he looked like a peddler just opening his pack. His eyes, how they twinkled, his dimples, how merry. His cheeks were like roses, his nose was like a cherry. His droll little mouth was drawn up like a bow, and the beard on his chin was as white as the snow. The stump of a pipe he held tight in his teeth, and the smoke it encircled his head like a wreath. He had a broad face and a little round belly that shook when he laughed like a bowl full of jelly. He was chubby and plump, a right jolly old self, and I laughed when I saw him in spite of myself. A wink of his eye and a twist of his head soon gave me to know I had nothing to dread. He spoke not a word, but went straight to his work, and filled all the stockings, then turned with a jerk. And laying his finger aside of his nose, and giving a nod, up the chimney he rose. He sprang to his sleigh, to his team gave a whistle, and away they all flew, like the down of a thistle. But I heard him exclaim, as he drove out of sight, Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night.
it did the whole thing.
The
So
whole book.
thanks to the company for sending it to us. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.